want to know how to change your profile picture in Dola AI. So if you want to change your avatar or your profile picture, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can do it in just under a minute. So it's super simple and under a minute. So let's get straight to it. The first things first, you can just simply open up your Dola application or the website itself. Just simply head towards dola.com and you should be right here. Now on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile. So once you have seen your profile here, you should be seeing the settings right here. So you can just simply select that. It should be on the top. So once you're on the settings here, you should be seeing your profile right here, and here you should be seeing edit profile. Just simply select that. And now once you're on the edit profile, in order to change your profile here, you should be seeing this plus icon right below your profile right here. Just simply select it, and you can just simply change it to anything that you want right here. So again, simply select what you want, and then select save. Select save again, and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.